Is it time to buy or sell AppLovin stock? In this video, we are diving deep into AppLovin. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2024, our system has ranked AppLovin as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has significantly exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 242.64% since we first recommended buying AppLovin 62 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.91% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $189.40, which could present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 175.79% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 58.48% to 80.11%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 333.23% over the next year, with returns potentially falling between 45.67% and 117.73%. This would translate to a price range of $422.45 to $631.43 after a year. Our latest daily update for AppLovin includes the headline, High Volatility in AppLovin Corporation Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $290.01. The AppLovin Corporation stock price gained 17.64% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, rising from $246.53 to $290.01. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 20.39%, with a day low at $243.25 and a day high of $292.86. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 79.43% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.25 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $292.86, while the lowest price was $35.79. Currently, the price is 0.97%, or $2.85, below the 52-week high of $292.86, which is also the all-time high for the stock. AppLovin Corporation is making headlines with its impressive performance, showcasing a monumental 39% revenue growth for the third quarter of 2024. This surge reflects the company's strength in artificial intelligence-powered advertising, positioning it as a frontrunner in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Notably, AppLovin's stock soared by 45% this week alone, propelled by better-than-expected earnings and a positive outlook for the fourth quarter, buoyed by increased digital advertising spending. The company's robust financial metrics, including strong cash flow and expanding margins, further enhance its attractiveness to investors. Despite a high price-to-earnings ratio, AppLovin's projected 24.1% revenue growth justifies its premium valuation and reinforces its growth potential among industry peers. However, analysts are exercising caution regarding AppLovin's high valuation as it expands beyond its traditional gaming niche, which may impact investor sentiment in the long term. For now, the stock's record highs and momentum are likely to attract short-term speculative interest, driving further price appreciation. Over the long term, sustained profitability and effective expansion into new markets will be critical for maintaining investor confidence and supporting the stock's elevated valuation. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned AP an outperform rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG designated AP as a buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo rated AP as overweight with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer gave APP an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October 2024, it was reported that Citigroup rated AP as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned AppLovin stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for AppLovin. The AppLovin Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $194.61 and $154.87. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 82.27%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Despite price gains, volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 42 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 61 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 44 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 55 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for AppLovin. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $246.53. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $49.61 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 20.39%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 9.23%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for AppLovin, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 12th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 98 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AppLovin. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, AppLovin encounters its first support level at $246.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for AppLovin from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of November, 2024, Sheikh and Vasily conducted an insider purchase of 33,902 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Feroyarash Adam made an insider purchase of 67,805 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of October, 2024, Dorosh Dmitry conducted an insider purchase of 3,390 shares of Class A common stock. Also, on the 30th of October, Valenzuela Victoria made an insider purchase of 32,207 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Stumpf Matthew conducted an insider purchase of 40,683 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations indicate that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 68.673. In total, insiders acquired 788,085 shares, while selling 4,464,564 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $282.24, which represents a decrease of 2.68%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 91, which further escalates the risk involved. However, a buy signal has been indicated from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is AppLovin stock a good buy? AppLovin Corporation shows several promising indicators, but these alone do not qualify it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning either holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 11th, we anticipate that AppLovin will open lower by $14.64, starting at $275.37. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.